thing that I feel when I have my hair done without expression, without any extension, without any of those heavy things on my head. Oh my God, I just feel free. And also today I'm going to be showing you just a 10 minutes, 8-minute video of what I did to my hair. It just came like I wanted to go out. I'm like, no, let me just put it in some lines, then I can go. Whilst I'm doing this, guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, a huge welcome, and please click the subscribe button and the notification button so that you don't miss some of the simplest things you can see on the internet, the realest things you can see on the internet. Like, it's just me making my hair and me trying to make someone's hair. I'm not a pro at this. I'm not a beginner. I'm not a wow, I'm just me. It's just me. Please drop a comment down below. And during that, it's actually 8 minutes and some seconds. So I'm going to be talking to you guys about this channel. We've been making progress. I appreciate everyone from day one, and I appreciate those who recently joined. Thank you so much for the support. And let me just brief you what happens here. Here I do anything. If I want to try something, it's a do-it-yourself channel. If I want to try something, I'll try. If my phone is closed, I'll record it. If I have data, I'll upload it. Your duty is just to see how I've done it, and you can try it. It's not the best, but it's the realest thing that you can see. Like, I can edit, I can cut it off, I can speed it up, I can, but trust me, it has happened to a new person, and I don't exaggerate. If it's a fail, it's a fail. If you like it, you like it. If I don't like it, that's it. So guys, this is what happens in this channel. Okay, the lines are so spaced. I have a problem. Not really, because I think people, like, if I say I have a problem, then I'm undermining God. The people who have alopecia, or my head is small and my hair is not that much, so I try to always keep it healthy to maintain that volume. But it's giving space, is giving, I don't know, but whatever it's giving, there's an extension there. I'm proud of it. So, okay, I've done the front. So, you know what? I actually had a trick that if you keep watching this video, you're going to see at the end to maintain the volume so that my head doesn't fall flat. Hey, opinion, Sienna. Life is so different. Some people complain that they have a big forehead. I'm complaining that I have a small head. Someone is like, I have a big head. I'm complaining I have a small head. You know, what you can have is like probably what I have, but I don't like. That's how life is. So guys, on this channel, I upload videos from cooking, I upload videos, whatever that catches my life that I can do it and I need to share it with you guys, I share. And you know what? Thank you so much for the views. Thank you so much for the subscriptions. Thank you so much for the clicks and the comments. But you know what? We have to work hard on the comments. Keep them coming. Guys, I don't know what I need to do for you guys to come bombard me with comments and questions or what not. Okay, so if you have anything that you want me to try, tell me. I'm upgrading. To be honest, my braiding skills started when I was braiding myself. Now if I braid someone, it so that you can watch that. And the other style that I like that I had created, it's when I did Bohemian braids on somebody, then later on I think the same day I finished doing the permanent braids, that was a struggle for me to curl it up and everything. I don't know how YouTube algorithm just showed me some permanent braids and people were putting the extension. That was my first time actually to see that. I'm like, why was I struggling? There's a lot of curly weaves in this house. So I learned that, and then I later learned that you can do permanent braids with Brazilian hair. Okay, let's get in with the edges. Talking about edges, mine are the real baby hairs, not all that you see on the internet where someone can swoosh and swoop and swoop and that is just hair. This is what we call baby hairlines. Something that is so weak, like a baby, that needs extra attention like a baby. Something, oh my god, this is hairline, guys. This is baby hairs. This is what you should know as baby hairs. So when I'm doing my hair, no matter what I'm doing, I always make sure I don't touch that part, because for it to grow to be what it is today, I had to do a lot. I struggled. But one thing is, thank God to this new trend of baby hairs and all, because some of us without hair and all, it was going to be a struggle. Back to the do-it-yourself. So guys, if you have noticed something, I did some freehand in the front, I did my baby hairs, and I left the back small portion of the hair undone. Why? Because I wanted to create that little bit of volume in my head, because if I had done everything done, oh my god, it was going to be flat.